Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, I do hope that you consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing my Monday minis. This is my new Monday minis binder. I know you guys are used to seeing that purple one, but I switched it out to the seafoam green. Look how adorable the pink looks up against the green. It's so pretty. Okay, so I do have some water today, just a bottle of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and take a sip. I'm so thirsty. All right, put that back there. All right, so let's just open up. Nope. I'm just gonna lay out my challenges. All right, so let's just move this over to this side. And what I'm going to do, oh, I didn't even count the money. Let's see how much we are playing with today. I have a little bit more than normal. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. So I'm playing with $40 tonight. So each challenge is going to get what this die rolls. So it's a 4-sided dice, and I'm just going to keep doing this until I have no money left. All right, so let me put these 5s aside. So this challenge is going to get a 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's see if I can make change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can here. And I think that's the only one that got 5. Yeah, I think these got 4. Okay, so let's just continue. Oh wait, did I put... I think I stopped here. Yes. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think this one has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh man, I almost have 10, but it's okay. I'll just put this down here. All right. 2, 1, 2. 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I have my last $6. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1. Okay, so what I do now is I have this $1 left. I'm going to roll a 6. Whatever this rolls on gets this dollar. 1. All right, so let's just move this dice tower over. We're going to move over these challenges. And we're going to start with this one first, okay? I'm going to need... Okay, so $1 was left over from last time. So let's see how much this challenge has right now to stuff. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, 11. So let me see. I need to do... Let me do a green. Okay, so 11. I might need my calculator for this one. Okay, so I need to color in a total for 11. So we're going to do -4. So we're going to color in this one. Oh, that is a horrible coloring job. Okay, so I need 7 more. So let's see. So -3. So I'm going to do a 3 and then a 1. All right. So this challenge now has a total of 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3. So 43 out of 65. Okay, the next one is this one from Mystic Budgets. It is a $25 challenge. I think I put too much in here before, so let's just see. So this should have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 21. So 25 minus 4. Yeah, so I should have a total of $21. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. All right, so that's just what's in here. And now I have a total of 5, 6, 7. And I have 4 left to color. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And put this 5 in here. That way I have change. So all I need to do is color in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do 4 donuts. So this challenge is completed. It should have a total of 25. So that's 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is great. Okay. So let me put that here and ring that bell. Okay, so I do want to bring another challenge in. I have some small denomination ones here. Let's do this April showers, just because we're way past April. Okay, so each letter is going to be $1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, I'm going to do $1 per letter. So I have $3. And this challenge is from Simply Living Saves. So this challenge now has a $3. So cute. Okay, so the next one is this bunny challenge. So I have 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to color all these and I'll be right back. All right, so the challenge is colored in. So I should have a total of $17 because this challenge is going to be 18. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I just need $1 to complete it. The next one is the savings challenge here. Each icon is going to be $3. So I have some money from last week. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to color in 3 of them. This challenge now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is from Thrifty So It Is Shop. I might be saying that name wrong, the middle name, but okay. The next one is this sweater season. So all I needed was $3. So we have 1, 2, 3. Yes, and I'm completed with this challenge. So let me color in these last 3 sweaters. So this challenge saved me a total of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total of 24. Let me just put this down here. I'm going to put today's date, which is the 15th. Another challenge done. Like Kathy says it, another challenge done. Another challenge done. All right. All right, so let's just continue. Oh, I need to put a challenge in here. Okay, let's see what I have in here. Let's see what other coloring challenge I can add to this. Something that's low denominations. That way it goes by faster. Let's do this 31 here. So this one is from Lady Die Saves. I believe this was a freebie. So I'm going to go ahead and just stick it in there. And it's a $30 challenge. Okay, so the last one is from Tiki Bears. So Tiki Bears got a total of $6. Okay, so I have this 5 here. And then I'm going to do this coconut here for 1. So Tiki Bears got a total of 10, 15, 20, 5, 35, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 51, 2, 3. So 53. This is great. I am already have taken out $50 out of this challenge, and I started over. I just have a few left here, and I'm completed with this. But for now, this is it. All right, you guys. Okay, so I have decided money that I complete from my savings challenges for my Monday minis, I'm not going to include it in this binder here with this back money here. This money is going to be for money completed for my scratch offs, only because that money is a little bit like it's more, and this one is, I don't know, I just want to be able to play with it and cash stuff my sinking funds. So what I will do is I will keep this money in the front here, and then at the end of the month I will do a sinking funds cash stuffing. I think that's what I'll do for the month of July. All right, you guys, so that is it. This is my Monday minis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought about it, and leave me some sort of beach emoji. That way I know you guys made it to this point. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys take care, have an amazing morning, day, or night, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.